What are the benefits of Codeguard? A backup is often the last chance to restore lost website data without losing too much of it. Codeguard is an integrated backup solution that simplifies the backup process with automation. Let's take a closer look to understand the benefits of Codeguard and how it's important for your website. It automates backups. If a site owner takes manual backups, there's a high probability of them forgetting once in a while. Once it is connected to a website and configured, Codeguard automatically takes daily backups. It stores backups off-site. Most site owners keep backups on the same server and download a copy to their local machine. Codeguard stores all its backups in a cloud, keeping them safe from being erased or infected. It makes data restoration easy. When a website goes down, the site owner's first priority is to get it back up quickly. Codeguard makes data restoration easy and enables a site to get back up in quick time. It supports data synchronization. A backup tool which supports data synchronization allows access to the latest changes in data. Codeguard supports data synchronization, allowing you quick access the latest version of your site. It protects data. Simply backing up data is not enough, the backups must be protected from all threats. Codeguard encrypts all its backups and keeps them safe even if they are stolen. HostGator offers the convenience of Codeguard as a separate service with all its plans. HostGator offers the convenience of Codeguard as a separate service with all its plans.